Dr. S.K Macharia has moved to court to challenge what he terms an illegal seizure of the Directline Insurance Company by individuals using a forged CR12 form. Through lawyer Danstan Omari, Dr. Macharia has filed a petition at Milimani Law Courts seeking to have himself and his wife recognized as the rightful owners, demanding accountability for the 8 billion shillings in premiums swindled from policyholders. He's also pushing for the prosecution of fraudulent directors and the urgent registration of the true owners, warning that 98% of PSV vehicle users may be unknowingly uninsured. Willie Lusige reports.
A few days after Directline Assurance Company announced the termination of insurance policy issuance, Royal Credit Chairman Dr. S.K Macharia has moved to the court to regularize the ownership of the insurance giant that he claims was unlawfully seized through a forged CR12 form.
S.K Macharia, being a renowned businessman, he is the one who started Directline Assurance as an investor alongside his wife and other shareholders who came up with Directline Assurance. But it has come to the attention of the original and the true legal shareholders that the company's CR12 has been fraudulently and illegally altered, in that shares have been transferred contrary to the law, contrary to what is provided for under the Insurance Act.
Lawyers for Royal Credit are citing various investigations that point at what they term illegal transactions that allegedly resulted in the swindling of premiums worth Kenya shillings 8 billion.
All the agencies investigated and found out that those imposters had swindled premiums worth 8 billion shillings. Properties, in terms of vehicles, in terms of houses at Garden City, were bought. We have annexed copies of the properties that were stolen from the premium payers.
The CR12 form is at the center of the new legal challenge by the Royal Credit, with Dr. Macharia seeking to prohibit respondents from further circulating and relying on the fraudulent CR12 pending hearing and determination, as well as prohibiting the issuance of any insurance policy to the public until the CR12 is regularized.
That is the reason why we have moved with speed to court to compel the registrar of companies to register the rightful owners of the company.
Macharia is also seeking court orders to compel the Registrar of Companies and investigative agencies to investigate the fraudulent CR12 and bring those responsible to justice.
As we have written to the banks that any money that will be withdrawn and be siphoned, that money is supposed to be the premium to compensate anybody in a public matatu.
Directline Assurance Company recently suspended its operations, warning Kenyans that it is no longer providing insurance services. The company warning that those using the company's services are being swindled by fraudulent administrators.
98% of people using public service vehicle in this country are not insured. They are cheated that they are insured. They are exposed to serious risks, and anybody who will be involved in an accident, count yourself, you are alone with your own God. There is no insurance in the vehicles that are having a sticker called Insurance Directline.
During its operations, the Directline Assurance Company controlled a substantive chunk of the public service vehicle PSV insurance services market share in Kenya. Willie Lusige, Citizen TV, Nairobi.